Temperature 63, dew point 47, wind calm, altimeter 3017. ILS runway 19 right approaching you, sliding runways 19er.
It's time now to take a trip into dreams. Along with you. It's only memories that remain in the mind forever. A splendid history. Skilled and capable hands. A rich culture. Isfahan. Beautiful Isfahan. Magical Isfahan. The industrial Isfahan. Welcome, everybody. KVC, Kayhan Valve Company, KVC. KVC has set two key subjects as its 5-year objectives. One is the exports and hopefully stepping into the world markets, and the other is diversification of the products according to the modern world technology. The company known today as Kayhan Valves Company, or KVC, has brought honor and pride to the city of Isfahan. Using the expertise of the managers, experienced specialists, and talented employees, this company has been able to take an appropriate and valuable part in the industry and self-sufficiency of the country. KVC began its spectacular activities in Murchehort Industrial City on an 11,000 square meter lot of land. The most important products of KVC include different kinds of gas and water ball valves and joints and fittings for multiple layered pipes. The essential ingredient, which is brass MS58, is purchased from the most qualified and well-known factories based on the latest world standards. Economizing and preventing the waste of material in the forging and forming phases is a must for any manufacturing unit. Accordingly, KVC has fulfilled this objective via horizontal and vertical punching technology and using an up-to-date knowledge and expert and experienced personnel. Due to the ever-increasing growth of the molding industries in the world, it is impossible now to use the conventional methods for designing the molds. Therefore, using the state-of-the-art technology in the molding and tools section of the plant, the designing and engineering unit of KVC meets the requirements locally. The molds are prepared using this unit's advanced CNC machines. Having a short time passed, the variety and quality of the manufactured products on one hand, and the rise in the market demand on the other, made this group to prepare the scene for overseas marketing and exports, further supplying the local markets by constructing appropriate plants, mechanizing the production lines, and hiring efficient workforce. Kayhan Valve Company, KVC, is equipped with the most advanced transfer machinery for shaping pieces and balls. Today, among different industries, the ones which are most successful pay more attention to the training. KVC inspects all phases of the production using the coding method and makes plans to promote the quality of its products. During During this stage, the Q&C unit constantly controls the quality of the parts being produced. Keihan Valve Company, KVC, is equipped with the most advanced transfer machinery for shaping balls. When the balls are finished and prepared, they are plated with a coating 11 microns thick. During this stage, the Q&C unit constantly controls the quality of the parts being produced. One of the most important sections in KVC is the Quality Control Unit. This unit underlines promotion of the quality, systematic control of the expenses, and reduction of the waste, and tries to minimize the production line idle time in all conditions. The PVC coating is performed by the apparatus provided by the Design and Engineering Unit using the best PVC in quality along with the deep method. The laboratories of this company are affiliates of the Standards and Industrial Research Organization, and being a capable research unit, they report the test results and compatibility of similar products according to the latest standards to the other research centers in Iran for the first time. Furthermore, these laboratories are approved by the concerned departments in the scientific and academic centers. At the same time as increase in production, acquiring local and international standards was set high on the company's agenda, and KVC obtained official certificates for testing laboratories, official recognition of the standards ISO 9001 2000 version, ISO 14001, ISO 18001, ISO 17025 management system certificates, and it was granted membership in the World Network of Research and Technology. Under the standards required by the Quality Control Unit, the trained employees of the Tracing and Control Unit test and pack the final products in 72 hours and deliver them to the storehouse. The whole product of the company in the stock is daily reported online to the sales unit. Currently, this company is one of the forerunners of the gas and water pipes and fittings industry in Isfahan province, as well as the whole country. What supports this claim is the receiving of the Top Factory Award and the Leading Standards Unit Award for 2006-2007. This led to market expansion and a rise in customer satisfaction. And finally, in an unprecedented manner, the R&D unit of this company was allowed a permanent base in Isfahan University of Industry. Based on what you watched in the film, we invite you to visit our new products in the R&D, and we warmly shake your hands for any sort of cooperation. Thank you. The history of Iran relates the accounts of men and women who lived their lives for the dignity and splendor of this land. And this is something for the current generation of this country and the next generation to be proud of.